Hello students, today we are going to do a poem written by Rabindranath Tagore, and that is Vocation. Okay, so this is a poem where the writer is actually narrating a feeling of a young boy who goes to school at time and comes back from school. Now, whatever he sees on the road and whatever the wishes that is being narrated in the poem. So the poem reads like this: When the gong sounds 10 in the morning and I walk to school by our lane, every day I meet the hawker crying, "Bangles, crystal bangles." There is nothing to hurry him on. There is no road he must take, no place he must go to, no time when he must come home. I wish I were a hawker spending my day in the road crying, "Bangles, crystal bangles." So over here, the boy who has a punctuality, who has a specific time of going to school and coming back from school, he got everything that has to be done according to the routine. To him, a hawker is a great person who does not follow any routine. He just sees a hawker crying, "Bangles, crystal bangles," and he says, and he feels that he doesn't have to hurry anywhere. He doesn't have any specific road to be taken and don't have any destination to be reached. And also he doesn't have any time to come back from that place, and he has to do all the routine work. So he wants to be a hawker. Now he just says when he comes back from school, what he sees in the afternoon. When at 4 in the afternoon I come back from the school, I can see through the gate of that house the gardener digging the ground. He does what he likes with his spade. He soils his clothes with dust. Nobody takes him to task if he gets baked in the sun or gets wet. I wish I were a gardener, digging away at the garden with nobody to stop me from digging. So when he comes back from the school, on the road, any of the house, he sees a gardener working with the trees, digging mud with his spade, and he gets soiled. His total clothes get soiled. He gets baked in the sun. He is burnt in the sun, or he gets wet. And nobody is there to say anything to him, because as a young boy, if he all do such things, his mother is going to obviously see. But for a gardener, no one is going to stop him from his work. So he wants to be a gardener all day, digging the mud and working with the tree. Now he says, just as it gets dark in the evening and my mother sends me to bed, I can see through my open window the watchman walking up and down. The lane is dark and lonely, and the street lamp stands like a giant with one red eye in its head. The watchman swings its lantern and walks with his shadow at his side, and never once goes to bed in his life. I wish I were a watchman walking the street all night, chasing the shadows with my lantern. So last what he wants, when he goes to bed, when his mother sends him to bed when it is dark, through the window he sees the watchman walking up and down the lane. He has a lantern which he swings, and his shadows he could see. So he thinks that this watchman is so lucky. He never has to go to bed and he does whatever he likes. So he wants to become a watchman. So these are the three wishes a child makes. Just seeing them, for them they are the great person. The ordinary persons are very great persons to them, and their job are really attractive to this young boy. So this is the poem Vocation, written by Rabindranath Tagore. I would like you to do the exercises that you have. Just try out, and soon I'm going to post the question answers also. Thank you, students.